Greetings, Earthlings! I want to start by saying that this is the third time I have filmed this video and I just can't anymore. Today I went shopping at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and I found a lot of really great stuff. It's just not the best. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into what gave me the hardest time. I found two CoverFX custom cover drops. I grabbed the shades N35 and N40. I had never used these before. I didn't know what shade to look for, so I just grabbed these two. They're pretty similar. N40 is just a little bit more yellowish golden, which is weird because I thought N meant that they were neutral. And N40, unfortunately, is broken. It's hard to tell, but there's a little plastic thing that is supposed to be in here to stop the little tubey from getting all like disgusting, and it's not there. So when you pull it out, the whole thing is just caked in the product. So I did try these. The first time I filmed the video, I tried these for the first time. I didn't mix them in with any other foundations. I wanted to just see how they were on their own, full coverage, and I will go ahead and say, yeah, sure, maybe I used too much, but it was horrible. It was so bad. I used N35 and it was just like a little too light for me, and I had never experienced full coverage before, so I kind of looked like a ghost. And then I added a little bit of the N40 just to get like a little bit more color in there, but I don't know if it was because it was just so full coverage, like so much product, even though it wasn't a lot of product, you know. It dried up around all of my breakouts that I have down here, and it looked disgusting. And then like in my nose, like it didn't blend on my nose, it just like sunk into like the pores, and it was just so ugly. I couldn't get it blended around my eyes. Oh my god, it was so bad. It was so bad. And then this other product that I got, which I will show you in a minute, I tried and it just wiped everything off, and I was like, okay, nah, I'm washing this off. I will try these with other foundations though. I think they're cool. I just used too much, and yeah, it wasn't pretty. It was not pretty. So then I found this 3-piece Physicians Formula powder set. It comes with this little guy with these little bright circles, this smoothing youthful powder, and then this like color correcting powder, which I actually have and don't like. But the 3 of them, the whole pack was only $5. The only thing is there is no information on the compacts, and then on the box the only information is the ingredients on the back, and then on the front it just says youthful wear powder, which I'm assuming is this one with the writing, mineral wear powder, and mineral wear powder. It doesn't say anything. This one I was able to find on Ulta. It's like 13 bucks. This one is on sale for like 8 bucks, the color correcting one, and then this one with the little circles I couldn't find anywhere. I used the youthful one to set my foundation. It's okay. It's not as powdery as I would like it to be. I mean, I'm not entirely sure how to use this. I'm sure if I read it more online I would know, but I was too lazy. I mean, all in all, it's a good deal, all 3 of these for 5 bucks, but since I said I do have the one. I keep wanting to say full size, but I mean, like, it is full size. It's just in different packaging. This packaging is a lot cheaper than the original, so that could have something to do with the price. I don't know. I don't care. I got really excited because I found 2 more MAC lipsticks. I've been big into MAC lipsticks lately. These are incredibly similar. At first, I thought that they were the same, that there was just 2 of one, but they are actually different. This one is in the shade Easy Babe, and then this one is in the shade A Girl Has Needs. I don't like either of them on me. I don't. I felt like it like really washed me out, and then that mixed with the ghostly CoverFX foundation, like I've been trying really hard to get good lighting because I feel like the lighting in my last video, like I looked like a corpse, and then like everything in this video was just spiraling out of control. Now what I was super most excited for, oh, by the way, the CoverFX drops were $6.99. They're still $44 at Ulta, and these MAC lipsticks were $9.99 a piece. But I found this Too Faced unicorn highlighting stick. When they came out with the unicorn and all that other lovely stuff, I wanted to get it so bad. But I mean, like, this was, I think, $28, and I think it's still available on Sephora, possibly. But I got this for $10. It's so pretty. It's not practical, but it's pretty. Look. This is what I had tried to put on over the other foundation, and like when I tried to like blend it in with my fingers, like it just wiped everything away. And because it is like a bluish purple one, it does kind of have like a weird cast to it. I'm not wearing it right now. This is probably just a product that I'm just going to swatch on my hand repeatedly and never actually wear because I don't know how to wear it. I did find two more exciting Too Faced products. Like honestly, when I found these, I started to have like an anxiety attack, like out of excitement. I also found the Mermaid tears in the La Creme and the lip topper. Look at the packaging though, like that's so magical. Ugh. This one I tried on. It looks very gray. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's pretty though, right? I don't know. These were both $6.99, both of these Mermaid lipsticks. This is the lip topper. It's supposed to be a lip transformer, so I think you're supposed to put it like on top of other lipsticks and change it. You see it's right there. It's a lot like brighter than the lipstick one, which is peculiar. I mean, I could put it on top of the lipstick I'm wearing right now. I don't know how terrible of an idea that would be though, because it does say it's a transforming lip topper. I am currently wearing Cinnamon Bear from the Too Faced The Smell of Christmas Treats thing or something. This one right here. God, that's quite a contrast though, but I don't know. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's interesting. That is interesting. I don't want to put it back in the tube though with all this red lipstick on the applicator, so let's just scrape that off and make a big old mess on my hand. I don't hate it. I really don't. I guess that's kind of cool. And then I really only have two more things. They are some Essie nail polishes, which I collect. I got for $3.99 the shade B Cherry. I want to say that this came out with last year's holiday collection. I'm wearing it right now. It's just this nice bright kind of like maraschino cherry red color. The nail polishes that came out in that collection I really like. I have a few of them and they're like super opaque. And then this one is in the shade Mochaccino. It's hard to describe. It's like a grayish, brownish, metallic. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so that was everything I got at Marshalls and TJ Maxx today. Like, I was so excited with all the products that I found. Like, so excited, but it just didn't work out the way I hoped it would. Yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe. Please, subscribe. For all this hard work that I go through. Please subscribe. Alright, have a good day. Bye.